7 productivity metrics every factory leader must track. Most factory leaders I meet work hard, yet still feel output isn't matching effort. The shop floor is busy, machines run all day, but somehow the numbers don't reflect the work that went in. The real issue is usually not effort, it's what we choose to measure. Let me explain with a quick example. One of our clients, a mid-sized textile unit, believed their productivity problem was labor. After looking deeper, we found they were tracking attendance and production volume, but not the things that actually drive performance. Once we fixed what they measured, output improved without hiring more people or buying new machines. Here are the 7 metrics every factory leader must track. Overall equipment effectiveness tells you how effectively your machines are actually performing. Throughput, how much finished output you generate per hour. Cycle time, the time it actually takes to make one unit, end to end. Yield, percentage of products that pass quality on the first go. Rework rate, how much time and money you are losing correcting mistakes. Machine downtime, when and why machines are not running. On-time delivery, how reliably you meet customer commitments. When our client started tracking these, the picture became clear. Their rework rate was 12%. Downtime was highest in the morning startup window. By fixing just those 2 issues, output went up by 18% in 6 weeks. Same team. Same machines. Better clarity. Bottom line, productivity isn't about working harder. It's about seeing the factory clearly. If you want, I can share a simple dashboard template that your supervisors can update in under 10 minutes a day. Tell me, and I'll send it across.